The virtual factory is a digital twin that resides in the cloud and reflects your metalworking business. Think of it as a Google business profile on steroids. On steroids? Yes, because the Google business profile only has the information about your physical location, and it only helps potential customers to be able to find you in a Google search and in Google Maps. The virtual factory brings your digital presence to another level. It's a blueprint of the capabilities and competencies of your metalworking business. Those capabilities and competencies are the sum of three definitions. First, the raw material types, shapes, metal qualities and dimensions, as found in your article's catalog. That set of information reflects the materials, basic shapes and sizes the factory is capable of handling. Examples of shapes are sheet, round tube, rectangular tube, beams, bars and profiles in all possible types and shapes. But also the material types and qualities are taken into account, such as stainless steel 304, aluminum 5A05, steel S235JR, brass C210, and of course the specific qualities up to the level of standardization codes and material numbers. Second, the configured working step types define the primary focus of the metalworking company. Examples of working step types are turning, milling, sheet cutting, tube cutting, bending, sawing, welding, surface treatment, and many, many more. Currently, more than 40 working step types are supported out of the box. And third, the specification of each of the resources, such as machines and operators. This means that the configuration of the virtual factory also includes the mapping between working step types and the machines and operators that can be allocated to a working step type. You see? The configuration of the virtual factory plays a critical role during the quotation process, when matching geometric features from the CAD drawing, with the working steps and machines selected to realize those geometric features. This type of matchmaking is fully automated, and results in the best manufacturing route for each of the parts and sub-assemblies to be quoted. Of course, you can adjust the results as you wish. You can also add business rules, in order to influence the outcome of the matchmaking algorithm. Last but not least, the work that you outsource is also part of your virtual factory configuration. You simply extend the capabilities, based on what your outsourcing partners are good at. The routing will reflect the outsourced work accordingly, and takes additional packaging and shipment into account. By default, the virtual factory and its digital twin in the cloud are not visible for other companies. They are used during the quotation process for one factory, and only that factory. In the nearby future, you can make your virtual factory become visible in a wide network of other virtual factories. This enables use cases such as multi-factory companies, tight OEM and supplier integration, e-procurement and real-time outsourcing within the digital supply chain. To name just a few of the possible innovative use cases. You see, with the Quotation Factory, the future is now.